Hello, Jazz85134 here, and today I'm going to be doing another Revenge of the Fallen figure. This time it's Desert Tracker Ratchet. It's my second Revenge of the Fallen figure that I bought. It is basically the same as the old one, but to prove this is the Revenge of the Fallen, I've got the box, because it does look exactly the same as the old one. Desert Tracker, Transformers, Revenge of the Fallen. Just proving that it is the Desert Tracker, because you can get muddled with these ones, because they do look very, very alike. But first I'm just going to show you how big he is with a few size comparisons. First, a legend, and he is a Voyager, so it's fairly big. Now, deluxe size weight, and then another deluxe. This is the plane, a plane breakaway. So he is fairly big for Voyager. I haven't got any other Voyager in mode at the moment, so I can't really show you. But two things that can come off: his roof rack and this, like that. Those two things. But this comes under there. Is a bit of the bumper, like that. Actually says H2 on it, if you can see that. But if I just pop that back on, okay, but he does look a bit like a simpleton if you take this off, but you need to take it off for the actual transformation. If you turn it around, it's very flat and plain at the back, I think. Because he's the Desert Tracker, actually on his box it says Ratchet charges across the northern Sahara to confront Megatron and the Decepticons. So that's probably why he's called Desert Tracker, and he's covered in sand. But like the old one, he has that line. Like in all of them, he has that line. That's it really for that. But he does look pretty good. Underneath, he doesn't have much junk. He's quite a clean one. But transformation, as I said, first you're going to need to take this off, and then you're going to need to just split it like that, then put it on the other side. Okay. First what you need to do is flip around, pull those down. It's very smooth when you do that. That makes that hole like that. One. So you pull that down. Sorry about this, I just need to move up a bit. Okay, so now you're going to need to fold these doors back like that on both sides. That releases the top. these make his legs. So also runs pretty smooth when this happens. Then fold his feet out and split them and put them up straight. Okay. Next thing, you're going to need to take the arms out by folding these forwards, like so. That might come off, that little thing that said HP, but now he's a bit big and he's a bit odd, so you're just gonna make sure his arms are out, alright? Fold this out, flip the arms up like that, and fold here down. There's a little plug in there that goes in, two little plugs actually. That makes his chest go upside down, like the old one. Now, he's actually just facing the wrong way with his legs, so you just twist his legs round like this, and you flatten his legs down, then flip his head like that. The actual last bit of the transformation would be the true transformation would actually be folding that up, but because it fell off, I've just done it like that really quickly. So make sure his arms are out, like so, like this, and then his cage. His left arm, stick that plug into it, makes his cage. Might fall off, but I'll do it again. So you get him like that. Okay, that was right arm. It has this on both his arms, but I'm just going to do it on the right arm. If you fold this bit out, and then push this flap open, then fold his hand in, fold that doesn't work, fold that around, and you get an axe. I say isn't the best axe that has broken make. I think they can make it a bit better. It doesn't come with the saw, annoyingly, but he looks like that. He's pretty good. I think he looks awesome. So, a quick scan of him. You can go in many different ways and poses like this. As you can see, I'm putting quite a dangerous. That's my favourite pose so far. So put him in a pose like that. By the way, if you hear a bell in the background, that's my cat. So just ignore that, please. Yeah, his wheels all still do spin. One's on his legs as well. But mainly those ones. Can have it as a backboard, but it doesn't look a bit stupid, so I would like that. So, for the pelvis cover, just a nice gold bit that's covering up there. And if I flip him around, he does look, still looks good, still looks fine, not much back stuff, so yeah, it's pretty good. So really that is I've just got one quick comparison to show you. If I just stand this ratchet up straight. I'll stand him up straight. My comparison is Legends Ratchet. No, just only up to his knee. In fact, he isn't even up to his knee. So that's it. Thanks for watching.